that's what CES is about, a new level of imagination in a digital world. Our vehicles are now platforms of digital progress, and we operate as a software company with more flexibility and adapting with agility to new developments and customer requirements. Our goal is to build trailblazing mobile devices that enhance our customers' lives. That is exactly the reason we are introducing our first new model of 2019 here at the CES, because the mindset around here clearly represents the idea behind this vehicle. It's a true world premiere of a car we're very proud of. It's innovative, it's dynamic, and it's intelligent. And of course, Gordon, it's a beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, CES is a place for innovations that make our lives not only easier, but also more exciting and more fun. Our new star represents exactly that. I'm very proud to present to you a car that is stylish and highly innovative. As I said, it suits the crowd around here very well. It's fully connected, it will enhance their lives, and true to its tradition, we've done everything we can to make it an icon of great design. Please welcome the ultimate wearable, the Mercedes-Benz CLA.
Hey CLA, it's your big performance today.
Do I really have to go out there in front of all these people?
Of course, the stage is yours. Go for it.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, artificial intelligence and emotion merge seamlessly at Mercedes. Maybe sometimes as well too well. This beautiful car has everything that makes consumer product successful: technology, design, and real-world benefits. That's why so many people around the globe really loved the CLA right from the beginning in the start in 2013, and it created a new segment as a four-door compact coupe. Since its introduction, it has become a real bestseller. Today, we've sold up to 750,000 units of the CLA and CLA shooting brake. In 2018, the CLA Coupe even set an all-time sales record. And in the US, the conquest rate is particularly high. At its peak, about 70% of the CLA buyers in the US were won over from other brands. And that was made before we make the CLA even better. Ola already mentioned the further improved MBUX. Moreover, the new CLA offers the latest driving assistance systems from the S-Class. For example, the car is now able to drive partly autonomously in certain situations. The car also has aerodynamics with an outstanding CD value of 0.23. So, what does that mean? Well, with this four-seater, we have pretty much the same aerodynamics as two-time Ironman winner Jan Frodeno on his racing bike. Thank you very much. In 2018, Mercedes-Benz was again the best-selling automotive premium brand. We sold more than 2.4 million cars for the 8th time in a row.
Das ist der vollste Stand. Die Menschen haben immer noch keine Technologie, auch wenn es oft geredet wird.
Since 2013, we were selling already 750,000 of the CLA Coupe and shooting brake. So we are very proud to be here.
We have been at the CES for many years now, and yes, it's a show that stands for innovation. It puts the customer at the center of things. How do you use technology to improve the customers' lives? That's why it fits so well to Mercedes as an innovative company to show our products here, our digital innovations, and also meet tech partners to see what's new and see what we can integrate into our vehicles.